Hello everyone, my name is Kirti Pawar. Today I am going to present on the topic immune system response to viral infection. There are three types by which immune system responds to viral infections. First, through cytotoxic cells. Second, through interferons. Third, through antibodies. So the first type is through cytotoxic cells. A special cell of the immune system called a T cell circulates looking for infections. One type of T cell is called a cytotoxic T cell because it kills cells that are infected with viruses with toxic mediators. Cytotoxic T cells have specialized proteins on their surface that help them to recognize virally infected cells. These proteins are called T cells receptors. Each cytotoxic T cell has a TCR that can specifically recognize a particular antigenic peptide bound to an MHC molecule. If the T cell receptor detects a peptide from a virus, it warns its T cell of an infection. The T cell releases cytotoxic factors to kill the infected cell and therefore prevent survival of the invading virus. The second one is interference. Virally infected cells produce and release small proteins called interferons, which play a role in immune protection against viruses. Interferons prevent replication of viruses by directly interfering with their ability to replicate within an infected cell. They also act as signaling molecules that allow infected cells to warn nearby cells of a viral presence. This signal makes neighboring cells increase the number of MHC class I molecules upon their surfaces, so that the T cells surveying the area can identify and eliminate the viral infection as described above. The third one is antibodies. Viruses can also be removed from the body by antibodies before they get the chance to infect a cell. Antibodies are proteins that specifically recognize invading pathogens and bind to them. This binding serves many purposes in the eradication of the virus. Firstly, the antibodies neutralize the virus, meaning that it is no longer capable of infecting the host cell. Secondly, many antibodies can work together, causing virus particles to stick together in a process called agglutination. Agglutinated viruses makes an easier target for immune cells than a single viral particles. A third mechanism used by antibodies to eradicate viruses is the activation of the phagocytes. A virus-bound antibody binds to receptors called Fc receptors on the surface of phagocytic cells and triggers a mechanism known as phagocytosis, by which the cell engulfs and destroys the virus. Finally, antibodies can also activate the complement system, which opsonises and promotes phagocytosis of viruses. Complement or can also damage the envelope that is present on some types of viruses. So these are the three uh, types by which immune system responds to viral infections. Thank you.